Hi, my name is Kylie, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw Lippy lipstick from Shopkins. So before I start, I want to thank all of my subscribers, likers, commenters, and viewers. Let's get started. Okay, so first, near the top of the paper, you should draw a straight line that's not too long. Then make a slant of the line, sort of like a rainbow shape. Continue that so it looks like an oval. Then make a smaller line down. Now make a little hump and make another line down. Do this on both sides. Make sure the lines are even. Next, make another hump and another line down. Do the same for both sides. Then, make the bottom look like an upside down rainbow or a smile without eyes. Then you make another smile and another smile. Make the bottom one a bit less of a smile. Then you should make a line here, another smile that looks almost exactly like this one. Make 3 hearts in the middle. Then you can make a hand. Make a small curve and another curve, so it looks sort of like a bean in a way, or a heart. Then draw a bunch of lines for the blush she's holding. And the other arm can just go down. Now we'll be doing her shoes. Make one hump, sort of like a fish hook. And then make a box without a top. Make the right line go up and up. Then make a line parallel to the other square's right line. Do the same thing, making the square without a top. Then make another fish hook, but this time keep continuing it. Now, make 2 lines like this. They're the eyebrows. Now make a circle here and a line here that's like a sad face or a rainbow. Now make a small line near the middle of this hump. And make a small line right here in the circle. Then make 2 small lines on the bottom. Now make a smaller circle in the eye, and make a smaller circle in that, and make an even smaller circle. Now shade in the second smallest circle. Now just do a little C-looking shape for the nose. And the lips, 1 hump, 2 hump, and 1 bigger hump. Make sure it's not too big. Now make a line through the middle. And do 2 bows on the shoes. You may shade it as you please around here, 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 and here. And that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. And last but not least, I want to thank my friend Juliana for inspiring me to do this Shopkin. So that's all for today, folks. Bye!